In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a WhatsApp channel in less than 1 or 2 minutes. First, I open WhatsApp, then click on this three dot menu. Again, oh sorry, you need to click on update. Now click on three dot menu. Then you can see already have this is my channel. If you click on here, this is okay. Now again click on this three dot menu. Now click on channel info, then scroll down. You can see this is a channel delete option. If you click on now here and again click on delete, now you must be need um, type your phone number, then click on delete, so it's automatically delete after few seconds. So this is very easy work. I hope you are able to do this work. So if you found this video helpful for me, like and subscribe the channel, so you can take care. Goodbye.